There for shizzle. Uncle.
That means God has done it.
God has done it. Yes. Man, it's a fufu ade. Fufu time fufu, right?
Yeah.
But no day. Banche.
That's why it says fufu in it.
Banche ade ye kakro. Anyway.
Or a large big spoon from Italy.
No, not from Italy.
You have to be careful because
I don't know impurity sinina abasro. Yeah, that kind of sinina. Okay.
Be careful coming up right now.
Yeah.
Be careful because it's
Oh la la.
You have to be careful.
No queen, I don't know queen.
You have to be careful.
Imide.
Because it could
Okay.
be Fufu.
Yeah, Uncle Bill couldn't Namibia. Uncle Bill couldn't Namibia.
Is he your friend?
Ooh. What's it called? What's it called? Pusnai. But you know that Pusnai is Octopus.
Yeah.
You know it's Octopus.
Like it's chewy.
It's a type of seafood.
Yeah, type of seafood.
I didn't.
Anyways, what were you going to say before? Because you said something.
And I used to a pumba, remember? Yeah, honestly, that one.
The one that has like
salty,
yeah.
the pumba.
The one you made, I think you made a video about it.
Yeah, so it used to chew it today. Often sea snail, a pumba.
Snail.
A pumba.
It's a pumba, no impersonate. You know, now my mom come up. So hold on.
Oh yeah, the chewy thing.
The chewy your friend is pumba.
Please, can you save some for me?
The chewy thing. For me.
Me too.
Yay!
La la. Kua.
Brothers and sisters.
This is very traditional.
Yeah, traditional fufu.
Dada, what's the name of the
Nkuma. Okro.
Oh yeah, like you cracked my hand.
I don't know something wrong. So, a pumba ni bini. A pumba ni bini. No, yeah, pumba. Posna bini kind of posna to the dog.
Yeah. Where's the big one?
Yeah, posna. The nano. Michelle. More fish. Hey, Allah. Where's the fish?
Is there some there?
Okay, Bini.
Hey!
It's really. Okay, Mama half. Mama to half from me.
Cause that don't bedino some.
No, I'm to half from me. Okay. Okay.
Bella.
Wait, I want to see if I can do Michaela.
No. No, speta.
Dada.
Yes.
Dada, should I ask you what bello means?
Bello.
Yeah. Bella means hello.
Oh, okay.
Bello means hello.
In Minions, is that the movie?
Yeah.
Bella.
Wait, there's some
Yeah. Mama was
Dada.
Dada.
Dada, sound of personal means personal?
Like, no! Like, as in, like, the octopus. Like, because octopus is a very famous...
Yeah, and it's so expensive.
Yeah, it is!
Yeah, it is expensive. Very expensive.
What? So what? How much is it?
It's so expensive. So expensive.
Wait!
But because if you see side, you know, we get it.
Oh, okay.
You know, and I have a lot of friends who are fishermen.
Oh yeah.
So
Fishman.
Yeah, so I get it from them.
Everything.
I've always wanted to ask
the
you.
biggest one.
I've always wanted to ask you. Did you have so much feelings at once when you were at the sea?
Feelings?
Yeah, feelings.
Dada.
Atman.
I always wanted to tell you this.
Okay.
So you know,
Close it.
24 people was
Okay.
died in California.
Okay, boom. Okay, boom. Man, you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, one play. You ready? Shadu Eda.
Amen.
Kodo. Yes, yeah, Fufu. You're trying to look for soda. Try to look for soda.
Just to be aware,
Yeah.
we let that yesterday.
Bad now.
Like the one that. I want to eat this.
Amen.
Amen.
Yeah, we doing now, okay?
Yeah.
Oh, Kodo.
Mm.
Wow. For shizzle.
It's very soft.
Ooh.
Very true.
I don't know how you swallow it. I don't know how you swallow it without like biting into it.
Yeah, don't bite it. Just swallow it. Different. We said different coin. Different coin. Very true. How was it?
It's good. Amazing. It's delicious.
Delicious.
The soup is very flavorful.
Flavorful, yeah, but for some,
It's so spicy that I don't even care.
it's not that much spicy.
It's like it has some spices in it, but it's not spicy.
A little bit. It depends, but it's not even that spicy.
No,
It
it's not.
depends. It depends what how much spice the person has put into it.
Yeah.
I mean, it's juicy.
It's juicy. Very true. What's up?
Wow.
That is amazing. I can't even describe it.
It's like when you eat it and somebody wants to give it a review, you'll be like, what are you talking about? I know I ate it, but like, how do you want me to explain it?
Maybe in
The Pomoba.
Oh, that. Maybe fufu na inkai.
You will fulfill Belgian cry.
Wow,
I'm so confused because when I touch this, I think like when I bite into it, it's very hard, but when I bite it, it's very like.
It's so soft. Yeah, so soft. Yeah. It's so soft.
Yeah, I've eaten some as well.
Adam Queen matcher into no very soft.
Because when it's very hard and then it gets chewy and then you swallow it.
Very true.
Very impressive.
Impressive.
It's so good. And it was soft.